Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about two amazing seeds that could make up most of your body's nutritional requirements, flax seeds and chia seeds. Prior to proceeding with our topic, if you are watching this video, then kindly subscribe to my channel. I have a target of 100 subscribers. It won't cost you anything, but at the same time would add value to this channel. The topic we have chosen has relevance with a balanced diet. If you haven't watched that video yet, I suggest you to check that video out first for a better overview. Now! You may have heard of these seeds as superfoods, but do you know why they are so good for you? And how can you incorporate them into your diet? In this video, I'll answer these questions and more, so stay tuned until the end. First, let's talk about what flax seeds and chia seeds are and how they differ from each other. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are flat and slightly bigger than chia seeds. They are usually brown or golden and can be bought whole or ground. They have a nutty flavor and are thought to originate from the Middle East. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are little oval-shaped seeds that come in black and white varieties. They are native to Mexico and Guatemala and were a staple food in ancient Aztec and Mayan diets. They are pretty bland in taste, but they have a unique property. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. Both seeds are rich in fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. They also have many health benefits, such as improving digestion, lowering blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and protecting against certain types of cancers. But which one is better? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want more omega-3s, go for flax seeds. They contain about 6,400 milligrams of omega-3s per ounce, while chia seeds contain about 4,900 milligrams. Omega-3s are essential for brain and heart health, and most people don't get enough of them from their diet. If you want more fiber and calcium, go for chia seeds. They have 10 grams of fiber and 14% of the daily value of calcium per ounce, while flax seeds have 8 grams of fiber and 6% of calcium. Fiber is important for keeping your gut healthy and preventing constipation, while calcium is vital for your bones and teeth. Of course, you don't have to choose between them. You can enjoy both flax seeds and chia seeds in your diet, as they complement each other well. Here are some easy ways to add them to your meals and snacks. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal for a crunchy boost of nutrition. Blend them into your smoothies, juices, or milkshakes for a creamy and filling drink. Mix them with water or plant-based milk and let them sit overnight in the fridge for a delicious pudding or porridge. Bake them into your bread, muffins, cookies, or granola bars for a wholesome treat. Use them as egg substitutes in vegan recipes by combining 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds or chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. As you can see, flax seeds and chia seeds are versatile and easy to use. They can make up most of your body's nutritional requirements, and they taste great too. So, what are you waiting for? Give them a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.